Hi there, and welcome to the weekly writing workshop where we help students to prepare for the writing required on the AP History exams. Well, I am your APUSH Lady Boss, and I do specialize in all things AP US History. The skills that I focus on in these writing workshops are focused on helping students in AP US History, AP World History, and AP European History. So let's get going. This week, we're focusing on something that I like to call the collaborative essay. I love this activity for students. It's going to provide teachers with a really great way to improve classroom dynamics. In an AP history class, a lot of times dynamics can be very competitive, and sometimes students feel like they want to hide or not share their insights. And this process makes it really easy for students to feel like they can contribute to the overall classroom dynamics without it being overwhelming. So let's get going. How does the collaborative essay work? Well, the resource you're getting if you're an email subscriber and is linked below is a lesson plan. So it takes you through a step-by-step guide of what you're going to do with your students. So first of all, you're going to give them a prompt. Now you can choose prior prompts that have already been done in AP US History. It's really easy to find those on the College Board website. I also have a list for AP US History that you can find on my TPT store. But you're going to provide them with a prompt, and then you're going to give them time to brainstorm. So this is the template that you're going to get as well. So you put in the prompt, and then you give them time to brainstorm. Now, to save time, you're actually going to give students the introduction paragraph. You're going to provide the contextualization and the thesis statement. And again, you can just take that straight from an essay that has already been done by the College Board. So they're going to know the argument that they have to support with evidence. Now, the next part that makes it even easier for students is going to be that you're going to give them an evidence list. So then what they're going to do in their groups of 3, and I recommend that you really consider how you want your groups to be set up. Do you want them to be similar level or varied level? Both of those are going to have different benefits and detrimental factors. So really think through how you want the groups to be selected. Then what they're going to do is they are going to choose 3 body paragraph topics. They're going to pick which student is responsible for each paragraph. And then from the evidence list and their group brainstorm, they're going to need to come up with 2 pieces of evidence to support each body paragraph. At this point, they begin to write. So the student puts their name, they write their paragraph. When all 3 students in the group have written their paragraph, they swap papers. They pass to the left, whatever. Then the only responsibility of the next student is to provide feedback, give them specific ways to improve the writing. After that has happened, they swap one more time, not back to the original author, but to the 3rd member of the group. Now, this person is going to take the original paragraph and improve it with the feedback provided. So then finally, what students do is they compile the 3 paragraphs with the introduction paragraph, and they're going to turn in their collaborative essay. This is going to be a really easy lesson plan for you as a teacher, but it does require quite a bit of work for students without requiring a lot of grading for you. I use this in my classroom as a non-graded activity, but simply something that we do as a way to encourage peer feedback, a way to practice writing without it being really high stakes. So I hope that this is really helpful for you and your students. And if so, I'd love to hear how it goes.